Madam President, distinguished delegates, the 13th Summit of Women Speakers of Parliament took place last September 6 in Vienna. It was held by the IPU, the Parliament of Austria, and the United Nations, and convened on the occasion of the 5th World Conference of Speakers of Parliament. A total of 155 participants attended, with 26 women speakers of Parliament participating in what was first global in-person gathering for many of the participants in nearly 2 years. The theme, Women at the Center, from confronting the pandemic to preserving achievement in a gender-responsive recovery, allowed speakers how the effect of COVID-19 aided existing inequalities in many ways. We discussed the essential role of women during the pandemic, as well as how post-pandemic recovery could lead to progress to gender equality. The first session was entitled Women in the Pandemic, a Tribute to Everyday Heroes. Against the backdrop of the pandemic response, we saw that globally, 70% of healthcare personnel were women. Women scientists, doctors, and nurses were and continue to be in the frontliners of the pandemic, which witnessed their crucial role in confronting the pandemic. We also paid tribute to women decision makers, both in and out of Parliament. Women in position of power, as well as women journalists, were instrumental in navigating societies through the difficult times brought by the pandemic. There is an urgent need to encourage and support women to be better represented in all public and private sphere of leadership. Gender parity in Parliament is also a crucial step in advancing gender-equal society post-pandemic. The second session was called Women in the Post-Pandemic Recovery, Preserving Achievement, Furthering Progress. We discussed that economic empowerment must also come in the form of universal and gender-responsive social protection scheme. Today, 60% of women worldwide are not covered by any type of social protection. It was strongly agreed that social protection policies must be amended to better support women, especially those in vulnerable situations. As daunting challenges related to violence against women and children arise, we discuss how speakers must also strengthen their effort to stop such violence in its tracks. Policies must address root causes through the empowerment of girls and their equal access to education. Distinguished delegates, the outcome of the summit emphasized that a transformation of the economy and society through a gender perspective is needed. The COVID-19 crisis provided an opportunity for that kind of transformation. Women speakers of Parliament are eager to lead the way. It is the duty of parliamentarians everywhere and of all genders to lead the transformation of our global system to ensure the just allocation of resources and of equal opportunities in the future. We hope to carry this perspective into the deliberation of the 143rd Assembly and in our future activities. Thank you.